Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn and today we're going to be walking through the Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. As you notice on the back of the boat, we have twin 600 horsepower V12 Mercuries by Mercury. They are going to be the most efficient, most powerful motor that you can get on this boat. It's going to propel this boat up to about 60 miles an hour. You're going to have wonderful storage and seating here in the back. So you open up this compartment, you'll have a nice deep compartment big enough for a stand-up paddleboard. As you walk through the swim platform, you can open up this side lounging seat to where you can either lounge out or with the gunnel down you can see everybody swimming in the water and entertain off the side of the boat. Sheer shade is deployed currently to give you maximum shade. As you move in, you'll have a wonderful entertainment station back here in the back. You'll have a nice deep sink. You'll have two Kenyan electric grills with controls off to the side. A couple outlets, two refrigerators, wonderful seats and a cockpit table here in the aft portion. So we move forward into the helm station. You'll notice that it is well equipped. We've got twin SIMRADs. We've got RGB lighting that you can control and configure. So if you're in a pink mood, if you want green, you just slide it and the whole boat will change colors. You've got joystick on this boat as well as twin lever transmission and a single lever action if you want to just control it with one lever. If you walk up to the front of the boat, you are going to have a wonderful bow space. So this is kind of the attention grabber of the 400 and its claim to fame. It's a wonderful bow space, seats across the front of the cabin, two seats more forward with the table up in the front so you can have entertaining space up here. Eat some lunch. If it gets a little too sunny, you can move into the aft portion of the boat. Last but not least, even though it is a bow rider, it does still have a cabin. It's going to have a large 4-person cabin on this boat. We'll have AC down here. Right now we have it in the table configuration. Nice wide table, have about 6 people sitting around it, or this can drop into the forward berth. TV with soundbar. You have the refrigerator, microwave, and in the aft portion of this boat, you'll have a wonderful playpen style bed. Last but not least, this boat will have a wet head. We'd love to talk with you about this boat, so if you have any questions, give me a call. My link is in the description below.